In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create anchor links in Squarespace with smooth scrolling, with and without code. First, open your Squarespace site and head to the page where you want to add the anchor link. Enter edit mode so you can work directly on the page content. Add a text block from the basic options, if you don't already have one, and type the words you want people to click. For example, sample anchor link. Highlight that text and click the link icon that appears in the text toolbar. In the link field, decide whether you're linking within the same page or from another page. For the same page, type a # followed by your section ID, like Couch Features. If you're linking from a different page, include the page path followed by the same anchor, like Home Features. Keep your IDs simple, lowercase, and without spaces. Hyphens work great for readability. Confirm or apply the link, and you'll see the text become clickable. Now set the destination for that link. Scroll to the section you want the link to land on, and open that section's settings. In the Advanced area, look for the section ID field and enter the exact same ID you used in your link, for example, Features. Save your changes. The link and the section ID must match exactly for this to work. Preview the page and click your new link. On most modern Squarespace templates, you'll get smooth scrolling automatically when linking to a section on the same page. If your link is coming from another page, it will navigate first and then scroll to the spot. If you're using a fixed header, add a little extra padding at the top of your destination section so the heading isn't hidden as the page scrolls. A few quick tips to keep things tidy and reliable. Use unique IDs on a page. Avoid special characters, and be consistent in how you name them. If a link doesn't work, double-check spelling, confirm the page path is correct when linking across pages, and make sure you saved changes in both the text link and the section settings. If you prefer a more custom approach, or your template doesn't offer a section ID for the area you want, advanced users can achieve the same result by placing a code block at the destination and adding a simple named anchor. And if your template doesn't animate the scroll, consult Squarespace's design settings to enable smooth behavior with a small design tweak. Save everything, test again, and you're done. You now have clean, professional anchor links with smooth scrolling in Squarespace.